wish I could see you one more time. Come, walk through the door. But I know it's impossible. I can hear your voice no more. I know you can feel my tears. And you don't want me to cry. Yet, my heart is broken. Because I can't understand why someone so precious had to die. I will pray that God will give me strength and some will get me through as I struggle with the heartache that came when I lost you. I miss you, babe.